In this video, we will walk through the day calendar mode, which allows users to view the calendar at the day level, displaying detailed data for individual days. So let's get started. First, we add the super filter to the report and adjust its position accordingly. Next, populate the category field with the date column. By default, the date slider appears in the report. To change to day calendar mode, navigate to the date filter section in the format pane and select calendar view under selection style. By default, the calendar controls option is enabled, but we can simply disable it. The calendar view is automatically set to the month range, but we can change it to day view. Now, we have a day level view in the calendar. To display more details at the day level, we can populate the Others data field with event name and participants column. You can see that we now have detailed information at the day level in the filter. This mode is ideal for scenarios where timestamps in the data need to be visualized. Here's how you can set up day calendar mode in the Super Filter for a more focused date selection experience. Download Inforiver Super Filter from Microsoft App Source to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.